Hi, my name is Party Twice, Mr. Beat Zimbabwe, and we are broadcasting live from our Party Twice studios. Party Twice is meeting on social media. Your team and all saying you got. That's why the boys are up. That's the but in the Ganganisa. Yes, that's the near in Suicide boys at that time. So good one. Now the men were Chuck Norris, but I could have shown my movie. True, I'm fan of Ron when the karate boys are. And at sea boys, I don't know, 86 years boys. Pesa, I do a karate boys, I don't want you. But I'm more putting a man. At sea, I don't know, is Afa boys for America. I don't know, 86 years, it's a very, I don't know, a good sinner boys, but I'm talking the window Namon. I'm talking Gazira, to couldn't take it, I didn't take it, I don't know, but I'm open. To couldn't take it to buy a state. Dia orang batam aku Chuck Norris, green hat or what's you. Ja, sisi orang masuk pasal busy every Saturday pe mani pe movie tai bude dar. My name is Bad Choice, Mr. Beat Zimbabwe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. I'm good.